boys enjoying their new yard. What do you think, brothers? What do you think? So we left these posts all tall, all these posts, because we thought we might string lights between them like this and light up this whole yard. But then we decided that was probably a stupid idea. So we're cutting them down. You gotta cut them at an angle so the water won't stand. So we'll cut down all of the side posts and like that. Can't see the angle this way. Here we go. There you go. Like that. And then on the corners, we're gonna leave probably about 4 inches up and put one of those light caps on the end, so it will be lit a little bit, but it's really more decorative than anything. But just about there. Cut down all the posts. He's working on the latches. I think he's got hinges on everything, but he just put this latch in today. So we'll get all those in and we'll have a fence. Then we have to deal with all of the lack of grass here because we don't want our puppies bringing in mud all the time. So I don't know what we're gonna do exactly. Gonna try to grow some more, I guess. But I think it looks really nice. Gonna paint it white. So we'll have a nice white picket fence. I'm gonna show you what it looks like from the yard. So that's what it looks like from the yard. Now the dogs are crying because I'm not in there with them. And we'll put here an arched entrance, grow some roses up it or something. And that'll be really pretty entry into our cottage. But so also, forgot to tell everybody, we lost a limb. This limb right there came down on my table saw, busted it up pretty good. Here's some of the remains of it, but you can see it was a big limb. Look at that thing. Of course, being the cottage, something had to try to attack what we were working on and try to kill us, but we will not, our spirits will not be deterred, people. Still going.
That's on the first time.
Yeah, give it another coat. Eddie got some paint on these handrails. Still working on this over here because they got a ton of rain last week, so wasn't able to get up there all week. Have this done in a couple of days, won't you?
You're already sweaty.
Yeah.
Already sweaty already.
I'm sweaty, but I'm also covered in Dr. Pepper.
And how?
There was a whole can of Dr. Pepper that I took and I put down, and as soon as I put it down, it's so old, it sprung a leak and it just fizzed all over me.
So some random person has been in our storage building with their Dr.
Maybe.
Pepper.
Probably somebody who loves Dr. Pepper. So you probably think they're a good person. I think they're a bad person.
You think it's the same person who left their underwear in our storage building one
Oh,
time?
don't even tell people that. So, yeah, our washer and dryer keeps breaking. We have a washer and dryer here, so I was looking to see if we could get them into that small space there in the cottage. So,
What's your verdict?
Still undetermined. I've got to go back and measure the space and see if it'll work.
Always
Because
something.
how many
isn't
times
it?
have we had the maintenance guy come out and look at that washer and dryer?
Like a dozen probably. He's been
Yeah.
so great. I do want to give him a shout out. That's
Yes.
Stuart Vander.
Vander.
Who has been just exceptional and done amazing work and been so gracious. And boy, he's Johnny on the spot getting out to you and doing work.
He gets it going, but I think it's got a bad circuit board, so I'm
Yeah.
short of replacing that. I mean, he gets it going, but it's I don't think it's salvageable. So we're either gonna have to buy a new one. We've got one here. We will eventually need one there, and that one go up there, and then we need another one. So
Yeah, that's true.
I
You're
know.
not wrong.
So we're gonna need one anyway.
You're not wrong.
So maybe we just buy one.
Yeah.
We just made a decision.
We just made a decision. Look at us. Look at us go.
And I found this that we need.
Yes, desperately.
So we bring this back.
Bye.
Bye. There's your little green dress. Going back in the market. Where we at? Canal Street Market.
Canal Street Market.
Wrong.
Isn't this the cutest? They have all kinds of fancy things. What'd you get, Kevin?
Chicken salad.
We love it.
Yeah, don't get the loaded though because it's got weird things in it. Oh, like fruit in my chicken salad.
I know. Here, I'm gonna
And this is what Lane gets.
get a video of their fancy cheeses.
Huh?
Get a video of their fancy cheeses. We love this place. They've got all kinds. Look, you can get a casserole here, ready to go. Spices, seasonings. They've got homemade breads and sodas. We love the Canal Street Market. If you're going to come to Natchez and you're going to spend any time, come here to buy things to put in your Airbnb to cook. We love it. I'm back again to tell you about the...
What just happened?
We're calling that what happens when your spicy little pepper decides to go after your large taco. That's the kitten, very spicy kitten, and Jack decided they were going to have a little showdown on who was toughest.
We got to do a Lumi commercial.
Uh-huh.
And we got about 3 words out.
3 words.
And then there was a tussle.
And we've not had a single tussle
No.
since we've been back. So
No.
they waited until we were trying to film.
I know. Too bad I didn't get it on camera, I guess.
I know.
This out. I like these deliveries. So Lane ordered this, which we need, I guess. But check this out. This is a new sponsor, and it's one of those robot lawnmowers, and I cannot wait to get that thing out and check it out, man. This is gonna be cool. What have we learned?
We have,
Oh, there it is. Oh, shoot.
we have monsters in our bed.
Stanley. Oh, there it is. Just a little hand reaches out every now and then. See what today's finds are.
It rained a lot while we were gone, so
That
it
one's
is prime yard treasure time.
very colorful. It's got color on both sides,
Yeah,
too.
both two of them do.
Fancy, fancy. Fancy trash. Treasure. So it's been we told them we were going to leave them on a cliffhanger, right?
Right. It's gotten a little dirty.
With this. So we never did sand it. It still needs to be
Yep.
sanded, right?
But it is hard as a rock.
So that's
well, I
your-
guess it's hard as wood.
Hard as wood, exactly. It's got very dirty because they're sanding and painting over here. But that'll sand up good, won't it?
It's always exciting to see.
Yeah, it works.
And look, more prizes.
More prizes.
What are you filming me?
Because
well, we're back in
we're
Natchez.
back a day, and
And we're at the hardware store.
yeah, we're dreaming of the day when
And we're doing this.
we can do that kind of fun stuff.
Yeah. But instead we're buying
Well,
grass seed.
grass seed's kind of fun, yeah.
And we're here to buy the washing machine.
And the washing machine and some sandpaper and other stuff.
All right, Mr. Barry.
Okay, so
You're looking really official. Tell them what you're doing. They don't even know what you're doing.
Taking notes for what we need to do next.
We've been gone for 2 weeks and feel very at 6s and 7s, I think.
I mean, the guys doing major systems kind of know what they're doing. Eddie's got a couple other framing things up here at the house when he gets the fence done. Fence is basically done. And then little Eddie is doing painting and scraping. He pretty much knows what he needs to do there. John is winding down on all of the sashes that go across the back of the house. So there are 10 different sashes that go across the back, including the 2 for the jib, 4 for the jib doors. But so we're kind of making notes for ourselves more than anything else. And I've got some notes to give Big Eddie. But so in here, we need to take out the windows and scrape, paint all the frames, scrape, paint the windows, get those ready to go. Put the re-rope, put the metal in. What do we call that? Metal.
The weather stripping?
Weather stripping, yes.
The spring bronze weather stripping?
There you go. Put that in, get those windows cleaned up and back in. So he's created us another sash for this one, right?
No, that one's right there.
Right there, that's what I mean.
It's right there.
Oh, so it is an old one.
Yeah,
What's that one for?
for the kitchen.
Oh, okay. So the kitchen has one sash.
Well,
it's
it may be
boarded
for
up
the
so long.
it may be for the main bedroom. There's one place that needs like one sash.
So we've got 3 windows here. I mean, I guess we start here, get these done,
Yeah.
and move on. To
Well,
the
and then
kitchen.
I think then we need to I think we should concentrate in here, honestly.
Okay.
Like
Well-
fire block in here. We need to strip all this woodwork
We need our
down.
stops.
Yeah.
Which we're gonna have to custom make our stops that go here to holds the sash in there. Goes
And then
all
we
the way
need to
top and bottom.
completely strip down this trim to bare wood.
Yeah, it's, believe it or not, I've spent a lot of time sanding this. I mean, all the fire evidence is gone, and these are pretty smooth. Well,
They're not.
they're not. Anyway, they need to be sanded down so that they will be beautiful.
You know what I
Yeah.
realized the other day? These are not original. These very tippy top cornices are not original. They were put there to accommodate the drapes because they're not in any other room.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Now that I guess that could be original because the cornices, those gold cornices, were always in here, so maybe they've been there forever. But they're different than in every other room.
Well, I mean, you know, so are the windows. So,
That's true.
you know, and then these have this wainscoting.
So
molding,
let me
whatever.
ask you this: what do you think about going ahead and doing insulation around the wiring? Because like there's hardly any wiring in the ceiling. We could go ahead and do the insulation.
Oh, yeah, I mean, this room's done wiring.
Well, no, I mean
Oh,
we
you're talking
have
about
to
for
leave it
inspection.
exposed for inspection.
Yeah, for inspection.
But we could get a lot of it in.
I mean, there's so many empty cavities that we could put it in now, and then wait for the ones that have wiring running those later.
That's what I meant.
Well, you said around the wiring. I thought you meant put it in, cut out for the wiring.
No.
Okay.
This one is actually for both of us, and this is going to win the award for mail that has traveled the furthest.
Oh my goodness.
This one is from our Huckleberry in
Oh,
Australia.
really?
Yes, so this came all the way from Australia. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness.
You'll have to read it later.
I know,
Did he
I
write
know,
that? Look at
yes.
that handwriting.
Yes.
That's beautiful.
Wow. Thank you so much. I'll read that here in a little bit. Look at these. This is so cool. I love mail anyway.
He sent
but
us 2
mail-
cards.
Oh, this is for Marcus. Oh, how sweet. A card for Marcus.
Oh. Okay, what else?
I had to pause for a minute because I had to read my card from
Oh,
Huckleberry.
and yes, and we also had to intervene with a
Yes.
dog-cat
Oh, look,
situation.
butterflies. This is from Mexico, Missouri. Is it Adelaide?
We've been to Mexico, Missouri,
What
haven't
a
we?
beautiful name. Adeline, I love that. And yes, we've been to Mexico, Missouri because I used to design evening gowns for the Miss Missouri pageant all the time. I did tons of contestants, and that takes place every summer in Mexico, Missouri.
Okay, that's
so
it.
I've been there one time for a workshop and then one time for the actual pageant. So this is just a sweet, this is for both of us. Just loves to come home and watch us on YouTube. And she sent these wonderful historic postcards.
Love it.
Natchez, look.
Is that the Briars?
That
What
is
that?
the Briars. And this one, I think, is Dunleaf. Yep. Look how beautiful. Oh, look, and here's one of Main Street, Little Rock. A vintage Main Street, Little Rock. I wish Little Rock Main Street still looked like that.
Yeah, oh, it's so dark I can't see it on the camera.
Shoot.
Really.
Well, it's really cool. Man, I wish it still looked like that. It looks nothing
I
like
know,
that. That's
yeah.
amazing. Thank you so much, Adeline. Adeline? What a beautiful name. Oh my gosh, I just love that. Okay, and then I have another present. And then I have one that's not a present, but I want to show you what it is because these are all part of getting Hope ready to go eventually. I think I may know what this
This
is.
kitten's trying to buzz this buzzer, I think, for the collar.
The kitten has figured out how to control the monster.
Control the dogs.
This is from Franny Gorman. Franny O'Gorman. I'm sorry, Franny. I think I know what I think she made something for us. Oh, she did. Look, she painted our Ollie fur.
Oh, no.
Look how beautiful.
That is really good, too.
It's a
Oh, my
watercolor of our
gosh.
baby boy. Oh, Franny, that's beautiful.
That is fantastic.
Oh
wow.
my gosh. Thank you so
Hold it
much.
up to the camera so everybody can see how good it is.
God, it's
I mean, it's really good. It looks just like him. Oh,
That
the
is
reflection is
amazing.
getting me.
shoot. Can you back up and zoom in
You
on
can
it?
see it pretty well. I just have to hold the camera in the right spot. That
I bet it looks
is-
better in person than it does on the camera too.
Yeah, it is. That is so wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Franny. That's beautiful. Beautiful, 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 and so meaningful. We'll put it right up here with our statue of Gussie. Okay, so we also have this. So I am working on, so we have beautiful furniture to go in Hope. Period 18th century and early 19th century furniture, but it all needs to be recovered. So I am slowly but surely trying to find the right fabrics to go on the upholstered pieces. And since we've decided to go gold walls, I want a green, I think I really like this too, upholstery. So that is, there's that, it's actually reversible, so you can do both sides.
I need
but
like a flashlight on it. It's
here, oh, I have my phone. There.
okay.
That's
now you can see
beautiful.
it good now.
Like with the gold and the green.
Yeah.
That's gorgeous. So I think that
might be the fabric used for a couch.
might be the fabric for the upholstered pieces. That's beautiful. I love it.
And there's what, another one there?
Yeah, she always sends things that kind of like coordinate, go with a little bit. This is it in a different colorway, but I like this one with the gold walls. Wouldn't that be beautiful? So that's today's mail call.
Yay!
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
It's
we're about to
wonderful.
put today to bed, so we'll see y'all tomorrow.
Yes. Bye.
Bye!